TSRRS, JC Boys, Devarkadra, Mahbubnagar district. This is Suman, JLNET. First we will go to the topic, earthing system. Earthing system. Earthing is used to protect you from an electrical shock. Earthing is used to protect you from electric shock. Okay. Electric shock is protect to the earthing. Okay, na? This is called earthing system. There are 4 important methods of earthing system. Actually 6 types of earthing systems. We are using mainly importance method of earthing system. That is rod earthing, rod type earthing, strip type earthing, pipe earthing, plate earthing, chemical earthing, and last one gel rod earthing. Chemical earthing and gel rod earthing. Mainly used, we will use it to the rod earthing, type earthing, rod type earthing, strip type earthing, pipe earthing, plate earthing. These 4 methods are using to the main important methods of earthing system. Okay. Coming to the pipe earthing system. Pipe type earthing system. Pipe type. What is pipe type earthing? Connecting on equipment to earth with a conductor is called pipe earthing. Equipment's body. Your pipe earthing body is connected to the conductor. Connected to the earth. Okay. With a conductor. Is called pipe earthing. This is the diagram of earthing system. This is diagram of pipe earthing. This diagram of pipe earthing. This is done for safety reasons. By earthing we can pass any fault current. By earthing we can bypass an fault earthing. We will see first in pipe earthing in a GI pipe of 38 mm diameter and too long is burned in pit of 2.5 m depth, 30 centimeters diameter. The pit is filled with alternative layers of coal. The pit is filled with alternative layer of coal and like salt and sand. A funnel is arranged at the top of the earth pipe to pure water in order to provide human in summer. A funnel is arranged at the top of earth. Okay. Pipe to for pure water in order to provide human in summer. Okay. Next, coming to the last point, a GI wire of 8 SWG is connected to at the bottom of rod and brought out fitted at common earth point in the main board. Okay. A GI wire 8 SWG is connected to the bottom of rod and brought out fitted at common earth point in the main board. Okay, na? Main board. Okay. Estimation of pipe earthing. This is the estimations of pipe earthing. Coming to the specification materials. Quantity. Specification materials. What are the specification materials? 38 mm diameter GI pipe preferred. Next 19 mm GI pipe, 12.7 mm GI pipe. Fourth one GI wire 8 swag, and fifth one GI 38 into 19 mm reducing socket. GI lungs, nuts, bolts, lock nuts and washer from 19 mm. Eighth one GI bends 12.7 mm. Okay. Ninth one 30 into 30 cm cast iron frame with hangings. 10th one 30 into 30 centimeters cast iron cover. Next, funnel with wire mesh. This type of materials we are estimated in the pipe earthing. Specifications of these are the common specification materials. Okay. Thank you to all.